This is how you can delete or deactivate your Messenger account. If you are a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you are new here, you are welcome. Let's get started. Launch the Messenger app on your mobile. Head to your Messenger account. On your Messenger account, tap your profile picture. Next is account settings. From your account settings, tap your personal information. Next is manage account, your legacy contact and deactivation settings. Here, you can choose a family member or close friend to care for your account if something happens to you. If you want to deactivate or delete your Messenger account, tap deactivate. This is how you can deactivate or delete Messenger account. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.